guys, welcome back to Sakura journaling. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make mafu mafu selalu after the rain anime journal spread. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's go. Okay, as you guys can see here, I already have some pictures of mafu mafu selalu after the rain. Here you guys can see I have a lot of pictures in here, and then I'm just gonna stick the picture with my uhu glue. If you guys want to know about after the rain, or as people said, ATR, mafu mafu and selalu basically make this their debut album, their collaboration called After the Rain. And this album, After the Rain, is basically produced and composed by Mafu Mafu and Selalu. Some of the songs that I like is probably swaying from season to season. Yeah, I think. Yeah. And then, of course, I'm going to use my pigma micron fineliner from Sakura to write some stuff here. So, and then I'm just gonna decorate my anime journal with various markers that I use here. If you guys want to know the exact stationery that I used, or the exact supplies that I used, like the markers that I used and the stationery that I used to make this spread, I already put the list of supplies and stationery that I use in the description box below, so you guys can check it out. Yeah. So, and then I'm just going to use my mildliner also to draw some red hearts to give it some variation and some dimension, I guess. And then I'm going to use my green marker next to draw some stars, just to give it a little bit, so that the title would look pop of color. Yeah. And then I'm using my blue mildliner also to decorate some blue hearts, I guess. Yeah. Oops. I'm supposed to use this fine tip. So. Yeah, the blue heart is a little bit bigger because I kinda switch to the highlighter instead of the fineliner, but it's okay, I like it. It's okay to try something new once in a while. Yeah. Some of the songs that I like from Mafu Mafu is Sacrifice, Final Declaration, Reincarnation, and then also After the Rain is quite famous all over Tokyo and Osaka, especially Osaka's, and yeah. But my favorite song has always been Sacrifice, because Sacrifice is so iconic and really a famous song from Mafu Mafu. Mafu Mafu is basically well known from his song Sacrifice. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna continue writing and stick the rest of the picture here. Yeah. So you guys, this is my After the Rain Mafu Mafu Solaru anime journal spread. Honestly, I really love how this one turned out. As you guys can see, I read the title with pink and green and blue marker, and then I drew some hearts, red hearts, pink hearts, and some green stars, I guess, for a pop of color, and then blue hearts in here, and yeah, and then I stick the picture right here. I think this anime journal is more likely to be like a scrapbook journal, I guess, and honestly, I didn't realize that this is more likely to be like a scrapbook thingy. I guess like a scrapbook, anime scrapbook, and then yeah. And I really wanna do this kind of anime journaling, and yeah. So let me know in the comments below what you guys wants to see in my next video, and yeah. I think that is all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Sakura Journaling for more videos about anime journaling, mangas, anime music, and more. And yeah, I think that is all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.